There are a variety of clinical trials going on right now in Phoenix, and they need patients with a variety of medical issues. Here with more is Dr. Joseph Gimbel with Arizona Research Center. Good morning, Doctor.
Good morning.
Great to see you.
Good to be back.
Let's start with two that I know a lot of people are interested in. Tell me about the bunion and the tummy tuck studies.
Well, when we start tummy tuck, I become the most popular doctor in the city. I think the phone rings constantly, and bunions the same way. What we do is both of these surgeries are done at no cost to the patient, and we actually compensate them for their time for participating in the trial. And we keep them at our facility, so we treat them for their pain, and then at 3 days they go home, and most of the patients are perfectly comfortable at that stage. So it's really an opportunity for patients to have procedures done at no cost.
Yeah, that's amazing. Let's talk about lower back pain, because so many people suffer from this.
Well, what we do, I'll see most of the low back patients myself. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. And then if they need an MRI, then they get that at no cost. And then if they have a herniated disc causing their back pain and leg pain, this study also, you have to have leg pain, then we do an epidural, and that's also at no cost to the patient. So again, they're compensated for participation, and it's an opportunity for a second opinion, or if you have no insurance, to be seen and be treated. So patients have done very well.
What about the shoulder study?
That's an interesting study. We're using a compound called IL-17. These drugs are biologics. They're very expensive, but in the trials, you get them at no cost. Mm-hmm. They found that in the shoulder tendonitis, IL-17 is present. This drug blocks IL-17, and as a result, it reduces inflammation. So 50% of the patients that don't respond to conservative care respond to this drug.
Oh, wow.
So avoids surgery in a lot of cases. And we're using a compound like this for psoriasis, too. I personally have psoriasis. I've used this drug not as part of a trial, and it's cleared my psoriasis by 50% in 2 weeks.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Now, these studies are helping people from head to toe, so we can't leave out the knee.
Yeah, we're doing about a half a dozen knee studies right now for pain, and also for studies that prevent degradation or destruction of cartilage, and actually studies that make new cartilage. They're cutting edge. We were picked by Novartis as the only site in the world to do one of these trials. And the sciences and the responses are really quite exciting.
You are a very busy man. You have lots of studies going on. Let's take a look at some of those studies right there. The bunion removal.
Tummy tuck, low back pain, shoulder, osteoarthritis in the knee. We're doing a bunch of dermatology. We do about anywhere from 20 to 40 trials, depending, what our schedule's like. And
talk to us about the Refer a Friend program.
We've started a program now where we get a lot of referrals from a lot of the patients. They have their friends. So what we do now is we'll reimburse anybody $100 if their patient comes in and says somebody referred me. Then we'll pay them $100 referral fee for that, just as a way of making it easy for people to come in to see us.
Absolutely incredible. Doctor, thank you so much. Always interesting speaking with you.
I enjoyed it.
And if you'd like more details, visit azresearchcenter.com or call the number you see right there on your screen.